Let's make medicinal zobo. So this is my lemongrass. I have to wash it so that there will not be dirt or sand on it. So after washing, I'm just going to put it in a pot and boil it so that I could get the juice from the lemongrass itself. So this is my hibiscus flower, or zobo flower as you may call it, and this is my ginger. Oh god, I love ginger in zobo. Like, guys, what are you doing? Cinnamon stick and clove, and we have pineapple. So this is me trying to wash the cinnamon, the clove and the ginger. I like to pound, so I'm going to be using the pestle and mortar to pound this. Not because I like to pound, just let's remove that part. Let's just say because we don't have butchie mix right now, so we're going to use mortar and pound it like the olden days. Yeah. So while we are pounding, our lemongrass with water is boiling, so we had to add our ginger first, and ginger and clove, pounded ginger and clove into the mix. Then we are adding our zobo nest to the boiled lemongrass with the water. Yes, normally you have to cook the zobo first, but this one we are going to be cooking the lemongrass first. Then we'll add the zobo leaf to the lemongrass, and the ginger to everything to the lemongrass, so that everything will just combine and cook together. So after doing this, we are going to be adding our pineapple. So pardon me guys, I could not find the pineapple back because I could not buy the big pineapple, so I'm going to be using small pineapple. But that doesn't mean it's optional. You have to get your own pineapple and just use. I'm adding beetroot because I like my zobo a bit reddish, and I want the taste to be different, so I like adding beetroot. But it's optional. If you don't like beetroot, please feel free to remove it. I'm going to be adding pineapple. It's the small pineapple I could get to. So you guys should just manage the pineapple like that. Yay! So this is it, all come to a boil, and you can imagine. So I had to like decant it. I like to cool first, then shift this zobo leaf. This is the pure zobo, and that is the shelf. So I had to put it inside the rubber. Feel free to put fruit inside your zobo if you want to, but me, I wasn't having those fruits, so I just had to put it inside the rubber and put it inside the freezer. I sweetened it with date syrup or sugar. Now this is it standing with the beautiful meat pie we made that day. Bye. Already